I'm Batman.
Alright, before we get started today, I'd like to give a huge shout out to my friend Adam. He donated me this Lego Batman set, which was $10. So, thank you, Adam. Hello all, it is the ATM here, and today we are building a Lego set. It is a Lego Brickhead, and it is Batman, as you guessed by the mini intro. And it is recommended, well, here is what it looks like. It is recommended ages 10 and up. It is Lego set 41585, and it is 91 pieces. Here's the box. It is rectangle. It is a rectangle. Yeah. And usually boxes aren't really this fat when they're this small. But yeah, this is the front, bottom, top. His eyes glow in the dark, which is really neat. The side, the back. I'm probably going to show Batgirl, the Joker, and Robin. Out of all these, my favorite is probably the Joker because of how they did his hair. I thought that was pretty neat. And then this is the side. So yeah, there's the box. I have the instruction manual. Sorry. And here is the finished product. He can stand up by his own, and it comes with this little platform that has a little brick head, and it says 1 because he is number 1 for the brickheads for the Batman movie, Lego Batman movie ones, because 1, 2, 3, 4, and yeah. So it comes with this little stand. And then here he is. His eyes glow in the dark, like I said earlier. And he comes with a removable cape. It might be kind of hard to see it since it's all black. But he has a little batarang, I don't know. That is what he uses to fight villains. And this is his utility belt. It is actually printed on. It is a new element. Well, not the 1x4 flat piece, but the printed element. And then he has a bat symbol that's also printed on. And yeah. And he has these little ears up top. So let's get right into the building.